What is time? We live by it, we measure it, we even say it heals wounds, but what is it really? Is time an unbreakable law of the universe, or is it just a human-made illusion? Let's go deeper. Albert Einstein once said, "The distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion." That's right. The very thing we base our entire lives on might not even be real. In his theory of relativity, Einstein showed that time isn't a fixed, universal flow like we once thought. Instead, time is relative. It stretches and contracts depending on speed and gravity. In other words, time moves differently for different people in different places. Think about it. Astronauts in space experience time slightly slower than people on Earth. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you. If you could travel at the speed of light, time would stop altogether. So if time isn't constant, then what is it? Some physicists believe in what's called the block universe theory, the idea that the past, present, and future all exist at the same time. Imagine the universe as a giant block of space-time, where every moment, past, present, and future, is already there, unchanging. From this perspective, time doesn't flow forward. We only experience it that way because of how our brains process reality. If this is true, then the future isn't something we move into, it's already there. We're just unaware of it. Yet. But here's something even stranger. What if time isn't something out there at all? What if time is just a function of our consciousness? Some neuroscientists argue that time is simply how our brain organizes experiences. Without memory, without perception, time as we know it wouldn't exist. Think about dreams. Sometimes you experience hours of events in just a few minutes of real time. Other times, a single moment in a dream can feel endless. If time can be so distorted in dreams, what does that say about reality? Some scientists believe time itself could be an illusion created by entropy, the natural tendency of the universe to move from order to disorder. The second law of thermodynamics states that disorder always increases, and we use this to measure time's arrow. But what if entropy stopped? What if we reached a state where nothing changes, where no events happen, no disorder increases? Would time still exist? Here's the real question. If time is an illusion, then does it change anything about how we live? Maybe not. Maybe time is just a construct, a way for us to make sense of existence. But whether it's real or not, we're bound by its rules for now. So, what do you think? Is time an unbreakable law or just a trick of the mind?